George. Try on the beach, metal detector it to see if you can find anything cool. Yeah, hope you enjoy the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can do so now. Yeah, also if you enjoy the video, give me a like. Thanks.
Still there? What do we got?
Piece of foil.
A piece of foil. Okay. So, this new little scoop that we bought works amazing. Get it at most of the metal detecting shops if they have it. Well, if they have a metal detector, they probably will have one of those. They work brilliantly. We might get another bottle cap, guys. What do we got?
More than that.
And
It's falling through, that's why.
okay.
I think it's a watch battery.
Really? See if we can find it. It is!
I don't know what it is.
What is that? See? Right, if you know what that is, you can let us know in the comments below.
Not a watch battery.
No, that's not.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll keep looking. We just found another piece of foil. Other than that, Joe's still at it. It's a very lovely quiet day at the beach again. Bit overcast, but the humidity is sky high. So it seems like we found part 2 of the previous boot video. We have found a sock. It's probably yeah, it's a kid's sock. Wouldn't have fit the boot anyway. Anyway, coincidental, that's funny. So we're just walking about. We found some metal different goodies, lots of foil things of packaging for people eating on the beach, of course. Now we just used my ring as actually as a gauge for what needs to go off, and this is the sound it makes. Joe, you want to show them?
So 48.
So if we reach 48, then we're looking at gold, which is awesome. So let's hope for that. So just walking by, see little pink seagrass. Well, not seagrass. It's obviously, oh yeah, seagrass it is. It's lovely. There's so many colors out here. And I mean, it just randomly washes up on the beach. Gorgeous. It smells like salt. I can smell it from where I am. It's amazing. Look at how gorgeous this is over here. I mean, it's on the rocks. I'm actually walking as fast as I can, but I'm already in the waves. This is the best place to come have a look, like, especially if you're looking for shells, if you're looking for just some lovely things to put in your house. Really, you'll find it here. And I suspect this beach though is quite empty because, let's face it, it's a tiny beach, everyone comes here. And also being one of the top surf spots for SA. What do I have here? What is this? That is, oh my gosh, it's soft. It's actually soft. Shit. That's still attached there. I swear to God, that thing is alive. Yes, I was a woman, I got a fight. Guys, I swear the thing is still alive. I felt like when I pulled at it. I don't know, no, I'm not going to go into seconds. I'll get my husband to come look at that. Oh yeah, that's stuck in there. If you know what it is, let me know in the description box below. We've got it. It is a...
R1.
It's another R1 coin.
And then do the whole long.
Got it. Great. Another one for the bag. Tide pool right under a little bit of a dock. People normally do fishing from there. Stunning, stunning spot. Now this is the tide pool Joe is just about to go into. It's quite very like slippery gravel, so we got to be careful. It's loads of shells, and Joe is going to go into the water. We'll see what we're going to find. It's already some big things. That was a big piece of metal, yeah.
How's it, guys? We had a fun morning with Debbie this morning. We were at Victoria Bay, and it's a little later, the afternoon sun's starting to cool down. It was really hot. It's too hot to do these kind of videos one go in one day. So I got some guys playing volleyball. We're going to work this beach. We're going to go down that side and see what's happening. Ring. I'm getting a sound of like 71, 72. So I'm gonna dig it and see what it is. It's quite deep though. Here we go. Shitty bottle cap. Okay, I'm getting a very strong signal. It's quite deep. It's very steady. It's 78, 79. So I'm gonna dig it and see what it is. Okay, so we got one big deep hole, and I can see the top of a can. That's terrible. So I'll take it out and chuck it. There's a bin right there. A nice high number 90. Dig and see what it is. Okay, seems I've upgraded. However, now I got in a 2 rand. So no more 1 rand. I got a 2 rand. Very cool. Another 10 pin. Okay, so back home. Had a really cool day. First we went to Victoria Bay, and then later in the afternoon I went to Wilderness. Very cool. I did have some cool finds, not too much, but still some cool finds. I found my first ring. I was extremely excited about that. Unfortunately my sound cut out for that. I did find a couple of coins as well. I found an interesting one from Zambia. Also, yeah, some sinkers. Stuff, a lot of it I didn't show on the camera, but yeah, still found some cool stuff. Have a look. Favorite find, obviously my first ring. Very cool. It is silver, and it's got some carvings or some pattern or something there, but still very cool. First I thought it was bent. Actually saw no, it's meant to be like that. So that was very cool. I found a 1 rand. Seems to be the top find so far. I mean, other than the bottle caps and stuff like that. I found this, it's still dirty. It's interesting. I mean, Zambia is quite far away from us. There's no reason it should be us. So some guy obviously went and lost that. It's a nice cool find. Later at Wilderness Beach I found a 2 rand. That's my upgrade, very cool. Also a hook sinker, a swivel I found all together. Some more sinkers, yeah, which was pretty cool. And then I found quite a bit of bottle caps again. I only kept a few of them. Found a Corona, another 10 pin. Under the water I actually found spark plug. I was busy with that for really long. There was definitely something else still there, but I left it. I was getting sunburnt so badly because of that. Some foil, some junk, some bottle caps, some pool tabs and that. I did get a whole lot more that I didn't really video or keep. Just chucked them in the bin. Yeah, so that's what I found. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Join me on my next metal detecting and treasure hunting adventure. Really fun. I enjoy making these videos. I really enjoy it. So yeah, if you want to see more of this, subscribe to my channel and give me a like if you enjoyed the video, guys. Yeah, leave a comment. Thanks a lot. See you guys soon.